This one-day itinerary includes markets, temples, old buildings, shopping centers, and more. Here is the starting point for today's trip. Taking this boat just to cross the Chao Phraya River to the other side for my first destination, Wonderland Island. This is a typical local market where you can find different Thai foods. Clothes and souvenirs can be found everywhere and a lot of choice to choose from. But the walkways between the stores is a little bit small, sometimes a little bit crowded. The main reason for me to come here is just for my breakfast. I got kway teow, Thai noodles with meatballs. It is very delicious. After breakfast, I am very ready for the trip. My next destination is Wat Arun, Temple of Dawn. This ancient temple had existed since the period of the Ayutthaya kingdom, over 300 years ago. With an extremely detailed exterior and amazing architecture, Wat Arun is among the best-known Thailand landmarks. Buddha's relics are placed in the spire or prang of Wat Arun. I'm taking another boat to the next stop. Another temple, Wat Prayun, doesn't have its own pier. So I have to get off at Memorial Bridge Pier and walk along the bridge to the other side of the river. This 90-year-old memorial bridge, or Sapan Phut, was opened on 6 April 1932 by King Rama VII, commemorating the 150th anniversary of Chakri dynasty and the foundation of Bangkok. Wat Prayun sits on the Thonburi side of the Chao Phraya River at the foot of Memorial Bridge, constructed during the reign of King Rama III. It features a unique large white bell-shaped Lanka-style pagoda that contains relics of Buddha. There is a small museum that features many images, amulets, and other artifacts discovered inside the pagoda space during renovation works in 2006. My next stop for today is a stunning old Chinese building site with a lot of history to learn and interesting arts to see. It is on the west bank of the river, the same site as Wat Prayun. It has its own pier. But regular boats do not stop on this pier, so I just took a motorcycle taxi to get here. Long 1919 was constructed in the Chinese architectural style called Samhaeyon, meaning 3 buildings surrounding a courtyard. The buildings, built primarily from teak with brick and plaster wall bearings, the 2 conjoining buildings were used as office, warehouses, and homes for office workers as well, but now turns into beautiful cafes and restaurants for visitors. You can learn some traditional Chinese way of life and see many beautiful paintings restored to preserve much of the original beauty of this historical site. Icon Siam is a vast shopping mall situated on the west bank of Chao Phraya River. It was opened only a few years ago and is unique and different from other malls in Bangkok. On the ground floor, they have everything about Thai arts, culture, tradition, food, and way of life. You can find nearly all kinds of local delicacies here. The decorations, creations, and floating markets are amazing. The buildings and design make me forget that I'm inside the mall. It looks like I'm walking outside in the small streets of a town.
สานแห่งชาต้น
After lunch, I just want to explore the upper floors and see the view of the river and the city. The upper floors are completely different things. It has all international brand stores, similar to other huge malls in Bangkok. But I'm not here for shopping, so let's go to the viewpoint. Napalai Terrace is on the 7th floor of the icon Siam Mall. It is open and accessible to everybody. I would say it is the best place to see the view of Bangkok City and the Chao Phraya River at the same time. My next plan is to go to Asia Take. The best way to get there is to take 2 connected free shuttle boats. The first one is from Icon Siam to Sathorn Pier, and the second one is from Sathorn Pier to Asia Take. Both are free services. This place used to be a bustling international trade port that ceased operation in 1947, and it transformed into a massive replica warehouse complex with hundreds of shops and restaurants about 10 years ago. I know this place is perfect for people to hang out with, like friends, families, or couples. As a solo traveler here, I have to admit that I am missing somebody. The open-air mall, Asia Take the Riverfront, is known for its scenic restaurants, shopping stores, and food markets with many entertainment options to awaken your sense. But as of today, 28 April 2022, some shops are still closed because of the pandemic. I hope all shops going to open soon. By the way, it is 8 p.m. already. I think I need to end this video here and go back home. Thanks for watching my video. Good night.